Welcome guys. So this video today we are solving this Leetcode video 1460. So make two arrays equal by reversing subarrays. So given two arrays with equal length target and array, and you can select any non-empty subarray and reverse it. You are allowed to make any number of steps. So return true if you can make error ERR equal to this array equal to target. Okay, so you can see what example target the 1 2 3 4 2 4 1 3, and answer is true. You can reverse the 2 4 1. This subarray becomes this, and doing this. Okay, yeah, and this is the same, and this is also you can change this 112. Okay, so let me just give you the answer. So basically, if you can change any two to adjacent array by reversing it, actually you can make a permutation of the original target. Original array. So that means if any array, right, any array with the same permutation can always be connected and can always be can always be transformed into the target. So basically, if target is the permutation of your original array, then the answer must be true. So all you need to know is that you just need to check the target is the permutation of the array. So if target is a permutation of array, then the answer is true. Otherwise, it's false. Okay. So yeah, this is the same, right? And this is not impossible because there's a 9 11. Okay. What we need to do is basically we sorted the target and the sorted array. So if the target and array if the target is actually the permutation of array, then you just return. Then this must return true, right? Else will be false. So yeah, this is the answer. Okay. So another reason is the symmetric group is generated by the adjacent permutation. So basically, if you can permute, any two. If you can permute any two numbers in your array, then you can generate all the symmetric group. Okay, so this is mathematical way to say this. Yeah, but basically, you just list the simple fact. So this problem looks difficult, but actually the answer is very easy. Okay, yeah, this is just the answer. Okay, and I will see you guys in the other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.